Whoa, guys, this is the Animal Planet, and we found a wild buckle floating in its territory, its nest. What a marvelous sight. Oh, it sees us. Oh no. Oh no, it sees us. Oh, is that the... And look, it's the little alpha wolf with an albino alpha wolf. He's hiding in his little nest. They survive on dog food. They survive on dog food and loose skin on humans. They're not very feisty animals. They're very kind and sweet. Oh no, he sees us. Oh no. Oh no. And he's looking back at the alpha dog. Now, buckles are very, very rare species of animal in this world. They're an endangered species too. Really born really rare. In the plain bushes of Utah Salt Lake City. What a marvelous sight. This is a marvelous sight, seeing a buckles out in the wild. Very rare species. This is the summer. This is the summer of a Utah, Salt Lake City, the capital of Utah too. But we are looking at a marvelous sight. These animals are very cute species. That's all for today. And join back on the Animal Planet.